Tomorrow is a red-letter day in Agusan del Norte's capital. Something huge is in store and awaits the people of Butuan, who can't help feeling excited with grace from above and a whole lot of goods from government coming their way. Government's Bagong Serbisyo Fair Caravan kicks off tomorrow in Butuan City, where Speaker of the House Martin Romualdez will lead a group of government officials from various agencies to provide relief, cash assistance, and life-giving grains to the tune of 200,000 kilos under the administration's card program. Best of all, preparations are in place and the people are all set to participate for one of the biggest Bagong Serbisyo Fair caravans ever.
Noteworthy to recognize that isa ito sa pinakamalaking card program, cash and rice distribution program. Could you imagine 200,000 kilos of rice will be given? Lahat ng mag-a-attend bukas dun sa opening ceremony, lahat na mag-a-attend ng farm yung sa mga farmers. ISIP is another 2,000 I think or 3,000 students for the scholarship program. May scholarship program ka na, may bigas ka pa, may cash ka pa, okay? Meron din sa Sibol. Ang Sibol is ito yung mga small and medium enterprises na gusto nilang ma-expand yung programa nila. May cash na sila, may business opportunity pa, may rice pa sila.
Matagal-tagal na rin ako naging congressman, way back 2007. And this is the first time na may programang ganito. Wherein, direkta talaga sa tao binibigay yung cash assistance. Never nangyari ito. In fact, I heard from other members before of Congress na first time, sabihin nila sa kasama nila, sa atin wala to noon na. Ngayon lang to. So, we are very lucky, of course. Kung titingnan mo, saan ang pondo nito noon? Ayoko na pero tanong mo lang, saan? Bakit ngayon meron to?